So let's get started. Let's make the recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please go and hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also see the other videos that I've posted. And I posted a really yummy recipe for pizza. So take cooking has a therapy. Cooking is a therapy, and it will definitely release your stress. So for the recipe of fruit cake, I have taken 1 cup of orange juice. I have taken 1 cup butter. I have taken half cup of raisins, green raisins, and 1/2 cup of black currants. And I've also taken candies, which are also half cup. This is the colorful candies I'm going to be using. So in this pot I have added all the ingredients, and I'm going to let it simmer for few minutes till the water is a little bit absorbed, and then I will take it out. Uh, as you can see that the mixture is all absorbed in the raisins, the orange juice and the butter. I let it simmer for 15 to 25 minutes till I get this kind of a mixture. It's ready after 15 to 25 minutes. And now I'm going to prepare my cake and get everything ready. The fruit mixture is absolutely ready. So let's see now. Caramelizing the sugar. I had taken half cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water, and I've put the stove on a very low heat, and I'm going to caramelize, get a brownish color of the sugar. It's going to be caramelized, and we're going to use half cup of water. Okay, so you have to add half cup of water in the caramel. Also very important step. Half cup of flour. We're going to add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Also going to add 2 eggs in the raisin mixture. Raisins mixture is absolutely ready. We're going to put it for baking. We are going to bake this cake for 60 minutes in the oven, in a preheated oven for 180 degrees centigrade. The cake is ready. As you can see, the skewer has come out clean. It's ready to be eaten and served. The cake is very moist and it's really yummy. I've had a taste of it. It's really good. You can enjoy it with your coffee or tea and make it in an evening party or whatever you like. And subscribe to my channel, guys, and share and like this recipe. Thank you for watching. You can see the texture of the cake, guys. It's really moist and amazing. Give it a try, guys, and make it for your holidays and enjoy this recipe.